Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to rename select option button in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will add custom code using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. In code you see view product, so you can add text according to your requirement here. Scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now scroll down you see select option, change to view product, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.